Hey there fellow campers, and welcome to our campsite review of Bundu River Lodge, situated just outside of Ventersburg on the N1 highway, on the right if you're traveling south and on the left if you're going north. It's highway until the turnoff, and then it quickly becomes about a 2-kilometer gravel road that is suitable for all types of vehicles. But if you are towing a road caravan, just take it easy. After negotiating the gate, you'll soon arrive at reception on the left where you book in. Follow the road all the way around the periphery of the campsite to the entrance. And if you're towing, I suggest you park in a way that makes it easy to pull out in the morning without having to reverse. The sites are on one oval open grassy area with a large shady tree and some smaller trees that are still a little bit too young to give any shade. There are very relaxed sheep that wander around munching the grass between the vehicles. You'll find scattered plug points along the edge of the campsite, but there is only one shared water tap, and that's against the wall of one of the chalets. One fixed braai, some portable braais, and a large communal fire pit are available for the use of campers. The farm-style shed bathrooms are a bit of a walk around some buildings, but they are clean and well maintained. There's lots of hot water, but do be patient as it takes a while for it to come through. In the ladies, there are showers, flushing toilets, basins, a bath, and a large baby changing station. The showers have solid doors, a small bench, and hooks. While in the men's bathroom, it has showers, toilets, and beer kegs for urinals. In the building next door to the ablutions, there is a kitchen and a sink for washing dishes, although this room and its contents are in need of a bit of an upgrade. Bundu River Lodge is undoubtedly a convenient overnight stop, but if you do have the time, take the steps down to the river, enjoy a sundowner, a picnic, or just sit and chill for a bit. It's restful and serene, and a great way to clear the concentration frown from driving all day. And on the side of the campsite, there is also a small pool and a play area for the little ones to stretch their legs. At the time of our visit, the restaurant had closed, and I have no idea if there are any plans to reopen it. So inquire at reception on arrival, or take along a pre-prepared meal if you don't want to braai, as there really is nothing close by, other than a padstal about 20 kilometers away, but it does have limited opening hours. We had good cell coverage on MTN and Vodacom, and we were able to access the bank and stream videos on our router, but the campsite does offer free Wi-Fi. The entire property is fenced and gated, and we felt safe there. An interesting phenomenon is that although we could see the traffic moving along the highway, we heard absolutely no road noise. Bundu River Lodge offers chalet accommodation for anyone wanting to take a break from camping. It is a very convenient overnight stop for those traveling on the N1 highway, and we would definitely have no hesitation in staying there again should we find ourselves in that region. Well, that's it for this one. Thank you for your time. Stay safe, be well, and I hope to catch you in a campsite sometime.